Hello everybody and welcome to another video here at Ally Tax Advisory Group. My name is Sean Dye. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pull transcripts from the IRS's website. If you don't already have a login, we highly suggest that you create one because it allows you to pull IRS transcripts and pull certain data that we might need during the year, which will help us through the entire process of helping you keep compliant. If you're not sure what an IRS transcript is, we're making another video and I'll walk you through step by step what each transcript means. But essentially, this tool allows us to see what IRS has on record for you, whether it's your account transcripts, wage and income transcripts, tax return transcripts. There's a lot of useful data that IRS is essentially allowing you to go ahead and download from their own portal. So if you don't have a login, I highly suggest you go ahead and create one as soon as possible. In today's video, we're going to assume you already have a login, and I'm going to show you how to pull transcripts from the IRS in case you need to look up some information such as estimated tax payments you made in the prior years, tax return transcripts, wage and income transcripts that you have for certain tax years. And again, I'll walk you through what each transcript means, but every tool has a specific sort of use for it. So the first step you want to actually do is actually go to the IRS's website, which is irs.gov. What you want to do is actually sign into your account. This is a new sign-in portal, so sign in with id.me. It's going to ask you for a two-step authentication. Normally, if you have that already built in, probably a text message or a phone call to your cell phone. And once you verified your ID, you're able to log in. You should be able to see everything that you need to have at your disposal. So a few options here, but for this purpose, we're going to jump into view your tax records. And down here, what you're going to see is a little blue button called Get Transcripts. Normally, they're going to ask you why you the reason you're pulling transcripts. 99.9% of the time, it's going to be for federal tax reasons. So you just click that as the drop-down menu. Customer file number, you can leave that blank. There's no reason to fill that in. And once you put that data in, you can actually come in here, and what you can see is four different types of transcripts, and actually they have their little explanation on the corner. So there's a glossary here that explains to you what each transcript essentially means. So we have the return transcripts, we have record of account transcripts, we have account transcripts, and we have wage and income transcripts. So again, little verbiage here on the side. Feel free to review those, and hopefully soon we're going to have another video which will dive a little deeper into what each transcript means. So for this purpose, let's just assume let's assume I made estimated tax payments for 2022, and I just don't remember how much I made or when they were made. And simply, you can come in here, you can pull account transcripts for that year. You click 2022, and what it's going to do is it's going to auto-populate a PDF, and it's going to download a PDF into your download, and it's going to look something like this. So your tax professional, our office, might ask you to pull the transcript for certain years, and it will have credits applied from a prior year, extensions you filed, payments you made with the extensions, There's a lot of useful information on this little transcript that will help you stay more organized and in compliance. We hope this video helps you. Again, the purpose of this video was only to show you how to pull transcripts. Soon we're going to have videos out for each type of transcript and what type of information they actually present. And as soon as we have those, we'll go ahead and let you know so you can watch those as well. Hope you have a great day. Take care.